Did you know that protein can increase calorie burn by up to 30% compared to carbs and fat? That's why adding more protein-rich foods into your diet can completely change the way your body handles weight loss, muscle gain, and energy. In this video, we'll dive into easy protein meals and protein-packed recipes that are quick, delicious, and perfect for anyone. Whether you want protein foods for weight loss, protein for muscle gain, or just steady protein for energy throughout the day. We'll explore healthy protein snacks, protein shakes for weight loss, simple protein meals, and even protein recipes under 30 minutes that make meal prep stress-free. These aren't just recipes. They're your ultimate fitness fuel, helping you stay full, repair muscles, and avoid energy crashes. Stick around, because by the end you'll have a full collection of protein breakfast ideas, protein lunch recipes, protein dinner recipes, and even protein energy snacks you can take anywhere. Let's start with the basics. Why is protein so important? Unlike carbs and fats, protein-rich foods have the highest thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting them. That's why many people use protein for fat loss and metabolism boost. Protein also helps with satiety, keeping you full longer. When you eat protein foods for weight loss, like eggs, chicken, or protein salad ideas, you'll notice fewer cravings and better portion control. For those focused on fitness, protein for muscle gain is essential. It repairs microtears after workouts and helps build lean mass. That's why protein recipes for athletes and protein recipes for weight training are so popular. But protein isn't just for bodybuilders. Even everyday people benefit from protein recipes for women, protein recipes for men, and protein snacks for work, because it provides stable energy and reduces sugar crashes. Bottom line, whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply having more energy, prioritizing protein-packed meals and simple protein recipes is one of the smartest choices you can make. Mornings set the tone for your day, and starting with protein-rich breakfast ideas can give you energy and help with fat loss. Simple, easy protein meals can also improve focus and prevent cravings later. One of my favorite options is Greek yogurt topped with berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. It's quick, packed with protein-rich foods, and works as both a protein breakfast and even a protein dessert idea. If you're always on the go, a protein smoothie is perfect. Blend whey or plant protein powder, almond milk, spinach, and banana. These protein shakes for weight loss are also great pre-workout fuel. Another underrated choice is cottage cheese bowls. Add pineapple or peaches, and you've got an easy protein cottage cheese recipe that feels like a treat but fuels your muscles. For meal prep lovers, make a batch of protein pancakes with oats, eggs, and protein powder. They're freezer-friendly, perfect for protein meal prep, and one of the most loved simple protein meals. Lunch is the perfect time to enjoy protein lunch recipes that keep you full without weighing you down. These protein-packed recipes are great for both weight loss and muscle gain. A classic choice is grilled chicken with quinoa salad. It's a protein-rich lunch that's also fiber-packed, making it one of the best protein foods for weight loss. For something lighter, try tuna-stuffed avocados. This simple protein meal is low-carb, nutrient-dense, and perfect for protein for fat loss. Turkey lettuce wraps are another go-to. They're quick, easy, and make an excellent protein wrap low-carb option for people wanting protein recipes under 30 minutes. If you need a work-friendly option, make a batch of protein salad ideas like a chickpea and chicken salad. It's meal prep friendly and keeps energy stable during long afternoons. Dinner should be satisfying yet light, and these protein dinner recipes are perfect to end the day with balance. They support muscle building and also help with protein for fat loss. One of my favorites is salmon with roasted vegetables. This protein-rich dinner is packed with omega-3s, making it one of the best protein recipes for health and recovery. If you want something hearty, try a lean beef stir-fry with broccoli. This is a quick protein stir-fry that works great for protein recipes for athletes and those on weight training. For a lighter meal, baked chicken breast with zucchini noodles is a great low-calorie protein meal. It's also an excellent choice for protein recipes for women who want lighter dinners. Don't forget protein soup recipes like lentil and turkey soup. Soups are filling, hydrating, and a great addition to your protein-rich meal prep routine. Sometimes hunger strikes between meals. That's where high-protein snacks come in. They're the perfect protein energy snacks to stabilize blood sugar and fuel workouts. A classic option is hard-boiled eggs. They're portable, simple, and one of the best protein-rich snacks for gym lovers. Try protein energy bites made with oats, nut butter, and protein powder. They're delicious, great protein recipes for busy people and perfect protein snacks for work. Roasted chickpeas are another favorite. Crunchy, high in fiber, and a great option for healthy protein snacks when you want something savory. If you've got a sweet tooth, go for protein muffins easy or even protein bars homemade. These can double as protein dessert ideas while keeping your macros balanced. Protein shakes for weight loss and protein smoothies are quick, delicious, and versatile. They're a go-to protein fuel recipes for athletes, busy professionals, and anyone looking for easy protein shakes. Choose the right base: whey, casein, or pea protein. Each has unique benefits for recovery, muscle growth, and energy. These protein powder recipes make building protein-rich meal prep simple. For a balanced shake, blend fruits, greens, and nut butter. A protein smoothie idea's favorite is spinach plus banana plus almond butter plus vanilla protein. It's perfect for protein recipes for women and men alike. Use shakes strategically. Pre-workout versus post-workout shakes. Before training, go lighter with protein oats recipe smoothies. After training, fuel up with protein recipes for weight training like a thicker shake. Don't forget sweet treats like protein pancakes easy, protein yogurt bowl smoothies, or protein cottage cheese recipes turned into shakes. They keep things fun and make your protein-packed recipes sustainable. One of the best ways to stick to easy protein meals is through protein meal prep. Planning ahead saves time and ensures your protein-packed meal prep stays on track. Batch cook lean proteins like chicken, fish, or turkey. These are staples for protein-rich foods and form the base of countless quick protein meals. Use meal prep containers low-carb and freezer-friendly recipes. This way, your macro-friendly meal prep stays fresh all week, and you always have protein-rich lunch or protein-rich dinner ready. Keep balance in every box: protein-rich breakfast, veggies, and healthy fats. This turns every dish into balanced meal prep plan and keeps your protein recipes for busy people sustainable. Finally, add variety. Rotate between protein stir-fry, protein bowl ideas, or protein salad ideas. With small tweaks, your weekly meal prep low-carb stays exciting and supports protein transformation goals. And that's it. We've explored easy protein meals from breakfast to dinner, plus high-protein snacks, protein smoothies, and even protein dessert ideas. Remember, protein for weight loss works because it boosts metabolism, while protein for muscle gain fuels recovery and growth. Plus, it gives you steady protein for energy all day. With these protein-packed recipes, protein recipes for athletes, and protein recipes for busy people, you can fuel your goals without stress. Start small, try 1 or 2 protein-rich breakfast or protein dinner recipes, then expand into protein meal prep for the whole week. Soon, it becomes your sustainable protein lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found these best protein recipes helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite protein fuel recipes or protein snacks for work in the comments. Stay strong, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.